Terme Dobrna is located in the northern part of the Celje Basin, only 20 miles from Celje and the highway. The oldest, continuously operating Slovenian spa resort can boast with more than 600 years long tradition of thermal baths. The hot fountain in Dobrna has been known since the ancient Roman times. In the middle of the 15th century, the thermal water was used for medical purposes for the first time. In the 17th century, the health centre was built, where the beginnings of spa tourism are set. Terme Dobrna offers its guests a stay in 3 different hotels: the Hotel Vita, the Villa Hygia and the Hotel Park. The hotel rooms at Hotel Vita and Villa Hygia are in the 4-star category, whereas Hotel Park is a 3-star hotel. Rooms are comfortably furnished to satisfy even the most demanding guests. Attic rooms at the Hotels Park and Vita are air-conditioned. In both 4-star hotels, minibars are available to the guests. The swimming pool complex in Hotel Vita is located on the 3rd floor and includes an indoor swimming pool, children's and outdoor pool, a sun terrace and a whirlpool. In the health centre, the oldest swimming pool of Terme Dobrna, built in the 17th century, is working again. The Wellness Centre operates a massage beauty salon house on the meadow, equipped with the most modern appliances for body and facial treatments. Top massage therapists pamper and awake inner beauty of all who seek relaxation. Thermal baths, swimming complex and sauna land with an attractive range of steam and Finnish saunas, as well as the implementation of Kneipp program, complete the wellness offers. The medical centre of Terme Dobrna places special emphasis on natural conditions in connection with the expertise, experience and use of modern apparatus for understanding of the patient's ailments. Alkaline thermal water with a temperature at the source between 35 and 36.5 degrees Celsius contains adequate amounts of calcium, magnesium and hydrogen carbonate, which is the most important factor in healing and treating of gynecological and urological disorders, rheumatic and rheumatism-related diseases, treatment of diseases and injuries of the locomotor system. Weddings, events at the highest level and a rich culinary offer are already tradition. Chefs and pastry chefs know the culinary specialities and know how to prepare food for the most demanding taste. The restaurant is designed for hotel and external guests. The offer includes themed dinners, Styrian or coastal cuisine, accompanied by live music and a varied selection of top Slovenian wines. For recreation lovers, the surroundings of Terme Dobrna offer unlimited opportunities for relaxation. It is an ideal starting point for cyclists, runners, hikers and Nordic walkers. In the immediate vicinity of the Park Hotel, we find jogging trails, tennis courts, table tennis and a bowling alley. Outer courts for basketball, soccer and beach volleyball are also available at Dobrna.